guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new around here, hello, my name is Erin. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to stick around. So for today's video, I've got this huge box of goodies, just things that I ordered from Ulta. A lot of it is stuff that I am restocking on because they're my favorites. And first of all, I haven't filmed a haul in a very long time. And second of all, I saved over $200 with this order, $300 if you consider gift cards that I used. And I figured I would go ahead and kind of share some of my tips and tricks on how I saved money at Ulta. So I actually worked at Ulta for almost 4 years, so I kind of know all the ins and outs and ways to work the system and save as much money as possible. And it's actually kind of funny because I filmed one of these videos while I was an employee, and it got not a lot of hate necessarily, but a lot of people just thought that it wasn't fair because I was an employee, so I had my discount. But I'm going to tell you guys how you can save money without being an employee, and I saved pretty much just as much as I would have if I was an employee. I have the order pulled up on my phone, and my subtotal for everything that I purchased was $365.87 before any discounts. Then I actually had a 20% off coupon, which they don't put this out all the time, but if you do get one of those 20% coupons that works on prestige brands, it'll clarify on the coupon whether it works for those brands or not. That's the time to stock up on all of these things. So I saved about $73 with that coupon alone. And then because of the rewards program, I had $125 saved up. So in case you guys are not familiar with the point system at Ulta, I've given the spiel so many times, so I will do my best to describe it as simply as possible. So basically Ulta has a free rewards program, and you get 1 point for every dollar that you spend with that rewards program. So every time that you shop there and they ask for your phone number, that is why you're just getting points for your purchases that then add up and give you money off. So once you become a platinum member, which is when you spend, I believe, $450 in a calendar year. They've changed the amount, but I think as of now it is $450 within a calendar year. You then become a platinum member, which means you earn 1.25 points for every dollar you spend. So essentially you're earning your points 25% faster. So for every $100 you spend, you get 25 bonus points just for shopping there and spending the same amount of money as you normally would. And then if you become a diamond member, which I think is if you spend $1,000 within a calendar year, you then earn 1.5 points for every dollar you spend. So you're essentially earning your points 50% faster. If you spend $100, you're earning 150 points. Yeah, that's just like the basic spiel on just the different tiers that they have for the rewards program. I am 100% more of a fan of the Ulta rewards program than the Sephora rewards program. It's not biased because I worked there. I just personally think that you get more for your money at Ulta, and I think that they have more incentive and ways to earn the next tier faster. And then when you earn your rewards, you're literally just getting money off. You don't have to redeem like 300 points for little travel-sized goodie bags that you probably could have gotten for free as a gift anyways. Once you earn those different tiers as well, they offer different bonus point incentives or free gift incentives, so like bonus birthday gifts or birthday coupons, stuff like that. But then also, if you get the Ulta emails or you have the app on your phone, which I highly recommend, you will see that every once in a while they put out an offer for double points, triple points, sometimes 5 times the points on certain brands or products. So whenever you earn those bonus points is when you can see your points just skyrocket. The month of your birthday, you get double points on your purchase, whether you are a platinum or diamond member or just a regular member. A lot of the times they'll put out offers that say 2, 3, or 5 times the points on your purchases. I think one of my neighbors is getting a tree cut down right now, so I apologize for any background noise. But if you ever see one of those point offers, it's 2 times the points for regular members, 3 times the points for platinum members, and 5 times the points for diamond members. So on top of those bonus points, like the 25 or 50% more that you're already getting for being platinum or diamond, you are also then earning 5 times the points on your purchases. So instead of earning, so if you spend $100, instead of just getting 100 points, you're getting the 1.5 points plus 5 times your dollar amount. So I know that's kind of confusing, but the reason that I'm telling you all of this is that those $125 in rewards that I redeemed on this purchase was for 2,000 points at Ulta that I was cashing in for $125 off. But I promise you that I did not actually spend $2,000 at Ulta. It was just because I took advantage of those bonus point offers. So let's say I was starting to run low on my foundation, but I didn't quite need it yet. I'm the kind of person that will wait to purchase my foundation until I have a bonus point offer on the foundation. So let's say you buy a foundation that's $40. Instead of me just getting 40 points for that purchase, I'll wait until I have, let's say, a 3 times the point offer, and I'll earn 120 points. So there's just a lot of different ways to work the system. I know that might be kind of confusing, so if you guys have any specific questions about it, let me know in the comment section, because I don't want to ramble about this too much. But moral of the story, definitely take advantage of the rewards program that Ulta offers, because that's $125 that I got off of this purchase simply for spending the money that I was already spending, but doing it at times where they offered double, triple, or 5 times the points on your purchase. Now, for the record, I am a Diamond member, but that happened while I was an employee at Ulta. I honestly went months without shopping there because I no longer had my employee discount, which was 25%, but I knew that they would be sending one of these 20% coupons anyways, so I just kept a list on my phone, so as I ran out of things or was starting to run out of a product, I would just make a little note on my phone so that I could wait until I had this coupon to save. And then also I knew I was going to be redeeming my points, so yeah, that's why I saved so much money. Also, if you are a platinum or diamond member, your points never expire, but if you're just a regular Ultimate Rewards program member, then your points expire after 1 year, but they do it quarterly. So the quarters of the year are going to be January through March, April through June, July through September, and then October through December, if I did that math very quickly correctly. But basically every 3 months is the end of a quarter for the year. So if you earn points in February of 2020, they'll expire at the end of March of 2021. I will also link in the description box the Ulta website where they talk about their Ultimate Rewards program and all that kind of stuff. So then just 2 other things that I want to throw in here before I move on to the actual haul. I'm sorry for rambling for those of you that literally just wanted to see the products that I purchased, but who doesn't love saving money? So I figured I would share all of my tips with you. But 2 other things that I love to do, not just at Ulta, but just with any bigger purchase that I know I'm going to be making, is to go to my grocery store. We have Giant Eagle where I live, and buying a gift card for the place that I'm going to be shopping, because I then get fuel perks for gas when I'm buying gift cards. So the grocery store that I use, like I said, is Giant Eagle, and then they have Get Go, which is their gas station that's affiliated with the grocery store. So for every $50 that you spend at the grocery store, you get 10 cents off per gallon of gas that you're buying. So I bought an Ulta gift card and then got money off of gas that I would be buying anyways, and it's money that I would have been spending at Ulta anyways. So definitely buy gift cards if your grocery store has any type of incentive. Also, with my credit card, I have a Discover card, and they do their cash back, and you can redeem your cash back a couple different ways, but one of those ways is that you can get a gift card with your cash back. So what I've also done with my Discover card is redeem $45 of cash back for a $50 gift card, and they offer all different types of retailers like Ulta, Sephora, maybe American Eagle and Aerie and Starbucks, and they just have a huge list of restaurants and retailers that you can redeem your cash back for a gift card, and usually the value of the gift card is a higher dollar value than the actual cash back that you're redeeming. So I know that these last 2 tips that I had for you were not that exciting. They're very adult-like, but if you really work the system, you can use your points, a 20% off coupon, and gift cards that you purchased either with fuel perks or cash back from your credit card, and you can really just get the most out of your money. So like I said, the subtotal for this order before any discounts was $365.87, but after the coupons and points and the gift cards that I had redeemed to get like the fuel perks and stuff, I spent $29 on my debit card for everything that I'm about to show you. So yay for saving money, yay for new product. Like I said, a lot of this is stuff that I really love. These are pretty much all things that I am repurchasing. So without further ado, no more money talk. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got from Ulta for as little money as possible. And yes, I'm totally wearing pajama pants right now. By far, the star of the show and my favorite thing that I was the most excited for is the Double Shot Hair Blow Dryer Round Brush Tool from Drybar. I Absolutely love, love, love my Revlon one, which was only like $50, maybe $60. So when Drybar came out with their version, that's like $150. I was super excited just because I, first of all, love Drybar, and second of all, want to do a video comparing the two of them for you, so keep an eye out for that. I will let you know if I think that this is worth the splurge or if I think that you should save your money on the Revlon one, but I knew that using my points and my coupon and everything were the best time to get this. And then I guess while I'm talking about Drybar products, I might as well show you the Triple Sec. This is their texturizing and volumizing hair spray, and I used to not really like this. I don't really like the feeling of grit or texture in my hair just because I have naturally curly hair, so I don't really need any help in this department. But now that I have short hair, I am so obsessed with this. I ran out of my old bottle and I could not wait to get this in. It makes the biggest difference and it smells amazing. And then next up in my box is a makeup eraser towel, and I've never tried these before, so I am beyond excited because it takes off, or it claims to take off, all of your makeup with just this towel and water. If you guys have tried one, let me know in the comment section what you think of it, if you think it's worth the hype. I know that at this point there are a couple other options on the market, but this one specifically I think retails for $20, but if you think about how much you spend on makeup wipes, then this is so much more practical. You save money and it's better for the environment because you're not just throwing away a wipe at the end of the day every single time you want to take your makeup off. So I will definitely report back to you guys in a vlog and let you know what I think of this. And then next up in my box is my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I've used more of these than I could possibly count. It is hands down one of my all-time favorite mascaras, and it's from the drugstore, so you can't beat it. So then next up in my box is the Badescu Cucumber Facial Spray. I'm sure that you have all tried this. I know that for a very long time there was just a ton of hype around these facial sprays. There are a couple different versions. I personally just like the scent of the cucumber one the most, which is why I buy this one, but they also have the rose water spray, which is the original, and then at this point they have a lavender and I think an orange. I don't know if any other ones have come out since I last checked, but I just really like the scent of this one. I use it more so with my skincare, but there are people that use it as a makeup setting spray. I just think it feels really refreshing, to be completely honest with you. I don't really notice any major skin benefits or changes other than just being more glowy and feeling more hydrated. This is the NYX BB Cream, and it's actually the foundation that I'm wearing right now. I used to use this, and then I got into the routine of using my Nars one, which is so much more expensive, but then I ran out of my Nars one, and I still had some of this left, so I started using it again, and I was like, what the heck? Why would I ever like stop using this? It just looks so beautiful. It's very lightweight and natural, which is personally what I like to go for on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, it's just super basic. It's lightweight. I want to say this is my third tube of it over the years, and by the time I put on my under eye concealer and then my face powder, I honestly feel like it looks like more coverage than what you would expect from a BB cream. But yeah, this is definitely a really good drugstore find. And then I got another product from NYX. This is just their Tinted Brow Mascara. As you guys can tell, I have naturally pretty full eyebrows. I didn't fill them in or anything today, but I like to go in with something like this just because my eyebrows will get a sort of ashy color from my foundation and face powder and stuff, so combing through them with something like this just makes them a little bit darker and more defined without being quite as heavy as actually filling them in with a pencil. And obviously something like this is so much easier to use. I don't have to think about it. Then the next product that I bought is something that I have not used specifically, but I have used other versions from the same line. So this is the Shea Moisture 100% Pure Shea Oil. Okay, so my memory card totally ran out of space when I was in the middle of my last sentence, so I don't know exactly what I was saying, but basically these Shea moisture oils are so good, and they're only like $12, I want to say. If you were to go to a store like Whole Foods, you'd spend so much more money on a 100% pure oil. So this one specifically is the Shea oil, like I said. So the main thing that I use these oils for is to actually just mix them in with my body lotion. Sometimes I will buy a whole bottle and just dump the entire thing into the body lotion that I'm using at the time. Sometimes I'll keep a little bit separate in case I ever want to use it on my hair, on my cuticles or something. But there's a very multi-purposeful product. One of the products that I purchased was the Tree Hut Frosted Sugar Cookie Shea Sugar Scrub. I have used probably 4 or 5 of these. They're my favorite body scrub. I initially got into them when I was fake tanning. LOL. Haven't done that in a long time. If you can't tell from the fact that I pretty much match my bed quilt right now. But they are just a really, really good body scrub. This is super gritty, which I love. I want my body scrubs to feel like they're actually doing something. So these are awesome. They all smell amazing. They have so many different ones to pick from, and a lot of the times you can even get them like buy one get one half off and whatnot. So definitely stock up on these if you are looking for a good body scrub. And then remember when I said that I stopped using my NYX BB Cream, got into the habit of using my Nars one. I really, really love this, even though I love the NYX one too. If you are willing to splurge and spend a little bit more money, this is the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I go back and forth between the Nars one and the NYX one. If you're looking to save money, definitely just get the NYX one. You get a really good product and you're saving a ton of money. But if you are someone that maybe has a little bit more sensitive skin, or you don't mind spending a little bit more, the Nars one is really good too. So I have this one in the shade Alaska, which is light 2. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm sure that a lot of you have already tried this concealer before. It practically broke the internet. Everyone and their mother has tried it, I feel like, at this point, and is obsessed with it. But it's just a really good, pretty full coverage concealer. It's definitely a little bit of a heavier consistency, but I don't mind that, especially if I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. And this I always get in the shade light. That being said, this NYX product is one that I have never used before, but it's the Shape Tape Setting Powder. So since I love Tarte so much, I would definitely say that they are one of my all-time favorite makeup brands, if not my all-time favorite makeup brand. I figured I would go ahead and give this a try. And then the very last thing in my box is the Buxom Full-On Lip Polish Lip Gloss. I love these. The one that I have right now, I'm like scraping the last little bit out the sides of it. So this is my second one of these lip glosses. This time I got it in the shade Evelyn. The one that I just finished up is in the shade Sophia. It's not the lip gloss that I have on right now, but it's definitely one of my go-tos. These are just so pretty. I know that it looks like it has a good bit of color, but on your lips it's actually pretty sheer. But it's one of those plumping, tingling lip glosses. It has that cool minty feeling to it, which I personally love. I know that not everyone's crazy about that, but I just love these lip glosses. They make your lips have that super like wet, glossy look to them. So I'm all about that. And like I said, I'm scraping out the last of what I have right now. So I was super excited to get my second one. And yeah, that is everything that I got. I feel like once I actually went through it and showed you guys everything, it's not that much stuff, but considering how much money I saved, I definitely got a lot for my money's worth. So I hope that you guys liked hearing my tips and tricks on how to save money at Ulta. And like I said, if you have any questions or something that you want me to go a little bit more into detail on, let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you with whatever I can and give you guys my little secrets as a former Ulta employee. Clearly, I still shop there. Actually, while I'm talking about this, I never really addressed why I stopped working at Ulta. So once I started working at Kate Spade as well, I was working both jobs just part-time at the same time, so I was juggling 2 jobs. I actually got offered a management position at Kate Spade, so that's what I do full-time. I'm a manager for Kate Spade now, but my heart still goes out to Ulta. It's one of my favorite jobs that I've ever had. No hard feelings or anything. It was just that I got that opportunity for Kate Spade. So that's the only reason that I stopped working for Ulta. It was so much fun, and obviously I learned a lot along the way. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what other ones you want to see. Keep an eye out for the one on the Drybar Double Shot. I've already used it a couple times, and I will give you a heads up. I am obsessed with it, and I feel like I'm totally rambling at this point, but it just feels good to sit down and film a video like this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!